Diba? Ano?
Ano to?
Gabi ka naman.
Hindi mo na nakita. General.
Sa, wait lang pa ako sa pag-iyon.
Ikaw na da isa yan.
Oo, sa general. Ala, okay lang. Pag gusto lang po.
Huwag na ako on ba yung mic mo?
Uy, love.
Ay, ari ka na.
Ano na?
Si
Wait
mother.
ka na.
May pa sila.
Wait pa. Ako diyan. Yan, kanuha lang daw.
Sabi, ay, sahi din siya. Nilibig.
Tumang sa ilo.
CR. Nagdagay lunch. Last top ko CR.
Okay na.
So,
Ano ka na? Good break ka. Oo. Just tatlo ka. Good break.
naka-on din ba?
Ako.
Ah? Ano?
Sino nga ba?
Ano?
Uy, nga na nito natin.
Ako.
Kaya lagi kamera ko yun.
Ay, kita.
Tapos screen na.
Events to ito yun.
Apply yung physical sa Facebook.
Ano si sir?
Hi, sir.
Next, bigyan ka.
No, mas dako iyan yun.
Araw.
Dako din ako.
Check ba lang?
May mas camera dapat ha?
Sila.
Nga sa nakapokus.
Sabi naman sa bench na.
Sige.
Basta may ako ba na
Okay.
hindi na stroke na ako. Ay,
Mo ginagawa dapat. Salay.
Ang ano?
Mo ginagawa dapat.
Sang.
Imo.
Ang ari ka Benzo?
Yeah.
Or ano na siya ganun.
5.
5.
Arya.
Na iyo.
Lain din yan. Hindi siya magana.
Okay na na?
Ikaw ginandak ko. Merci. Merci.
Ay, gagawin. Anyari.
Hindi ko na ma-pansin.
Numbers balik.
Ay,
Numbers na kailangan. Busa. Pase.
Iba yun. Focus. Yung camera ko. Hindi ako mayaw.
ano ko lang yung padako man. Gusto namin kung dako eh. Gusto ko dako.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Sabi ko mo, sino ko lang. May harap ka chopstick.
Ayan.
Sign mo.
Perfect.
Yun na.
Brian, pangayaw.
Yan eh. Nakikibilang mo guys. CR tayo.
Ano.
CR.
Gaano ko din like?
At least makasyon mo yung mga sarili. Puno po.
Yo.
Siguro.
Paahin na eh.
Oh, ito. Ano na yan? Night shift.
Wala bibig na room.
Sa
Si. Ay, blessing.
Sabi pa check mo eh.
Kaya review pa for ano, for quiz. Si Jade.
Sa
Ewan
sa
ko.
Kinex.
Maganda.
Drummer ko.
Oo, sa
Ano yung Japon?
Side.
Japon. Ito
Drummer ko. Punta siya.
si Arta.
Kaya like.
Ano ko mag Okay, kay sir. Ipakita, tsura mo diyan. Ayan, nasipul ka lang.
Okay, wala ka dyan.
Si Sir Dom Padug. Ang charger, gusto ko first. Charger.
Hello.
Hello, hi. May pa? Cassandra, ako lang. Ano nga, Elijah.
Ano?
Ako. Kilala mo na kita ako. Kailan tayo biyak? Sige lang, ano, i-download ko ng video. Don't worry. Subscribe. Subscribe ko. Subscribe ko. Ako pa doon. Yeah. Yeah, join. Come on now. Share device na lang yan. Ulit ko lang.
Ha?
Ha? Survive. Tumukol mo sa hidden channels. Yun, contemporary world. Kasi luto. Last night's space. Tapos mo ba? Kasi, before mo mauna. Nakadamos yung event ko. Ay, like, I send ko.
Wala ako.
Selo ba yun? Kaso?
Hello. Will you send me messages? Ayaw.
Alma, ay, pwede ng teams. Kupagid.
Share din ko sa'yo.
Hindi siya.
Pwede mo na ako ba? Pwede lang dala na ba? What?
Oo. Pwede lang.
Pwede. Gabi ko sa...
Depende kung ano bag mo. Kung gamay, pwede na. Top bag, for example. Kung bili mo bag mo, pwede na. Bala madala.
Wala na. Sagod na.
Si Sabi na lang yung picture na.
Alam, so bitabidas, umama na muna. Ano ko, or matampo ito. Sunggod ito. Ano? Oh, like, thank you. Oh, ayoko, thank you. Oh, joke.
Ako ni ka, Joy?
Batasan na.
Ay,
Batasan.
una, kita din ba? Ano mo po?
Sino?
Lampos, nakakaroon. Mabaka ka ma-department siya. Yeah. Or even. Saan mo naman nalain naman na? Waraw na lang kita iyan. Anahan ko kasi, ano?
Ambot pa, no? Kada pa, no? Joke. Wait lang.
I-send pa yung link, be.
Wait lang. Ay lang. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. We will start our class momentarily.
All right. Hello again and good afternoon. Okay. If you can hear me, please give me a reaction. Okay. Am I loud and clear? Okay. Sige. All right. So it's all clear. So it's already 1:30 and I need to speed things up because I have heard that there will be power interruption later. So sige, let's make this a little bit quick. Sige lang. I did not know may aragali maintenance. Okay, so welcome everyone to the contemporary world. This will be the emergence of globalization, our first topic. So the contemporary world is like trends and networks in the 21st century. In the senior high school na Humes, it's similar like that ang iyang mga topic and ang iyang mga content. Okay, so if you have if you are a Humes before, mostly some of the topics are pretty much familiar para sa inyo. It's easy na lang. So even this, I think it has already been discussed to you. But unlike if you came from STEM, this one was not introduced for sure. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, sige. There are still people coming in. Okay. So Benedict, good afternoon na hindi na good morning. Okay, sige. So our first topic is the emergence of globalization. Okay, so today we will look at how the world has become increasingly connected. So our main focus is globalization and how it affects our everyday lives. So globalization did not just happen uh, overnight. It developed grad- gradually as people, countries, businesses, and technologies became more connected. So it developed very slow, so until na naglabot na today. So trade, let's say maybe centuries ago, but modern technology made communication and exchange much faster. So which means that subong by the help of technology, communication, and of course trade and exchange is a lot more faster. No? Dasig na lang subong mag-send sa messages. Unlike sa una, masulat-sulat, no? Bisan ka dasig subong sa tanan, no? Even we have technology, still, kahinay gyapon sang inyong crush mag-reply. So, that is the uh, bane of technology, no? With the use of human span. Okay, so welcome to the emergence of globalization. So what we will learn for this afternoon ay medyo damo tadi eh. So we will have the learning objectives for this afternoon. So understand the core concept of globalization, analyze the key technological advancements and political policies that have accelerated through global connectivity, examine the positive and negative effects of globalization on the different nations, cultures, and environment, and develop a balanced perspective on ethical challenges and future trends of a connected world. So, but before we proceed to the main topic, we will have an activity first. So, the activity will be guessing the cuisine or guess the cuisine. So, you will be given some certain images of different cuisines, well, around the world, of course. So, dali lang guys. There are still people coming in pa. So please secure your internet connection. So this will be pauna-una. So the first one to key in their answer correctly wins. So it will be a point system, but if you have already won, then you're not eligible for points anymore. So kung magkakaisa ka lang madaog, give chance to others man. So 1 point means 1 point for butang ta sa exam para may parit. So 1:1. So I'll list down the names for those who are participating and as well as to those who are to those who have the correct answer as well. No, amo na siya. So for each slide, I'll be giving you 5 seconds to guess the cuisine. So matrial ta. Okay, so if it's clear and concise or understandable, can you please give me a reaction? So tanan, nakaintindi, reaction na ya para kabalo ko nga tanan at hag na di sa tanan. Diba, sibla may mahibi naman karon. Okay, salap na way ko pamati. Okay. So sige, para. All right. So the first slide will be this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Okay. So winner. Ano lang ni ha, trial lang ni. So we have ang first lang naka-type. So padasig-dasig niya siya type. Okay, the correct.
Sir, wala ako signal, sir. Sir, wala kami
Padasig-dasig
signal.
type, padasig-dasig internet. So I can see that some people are in school rather. No? Hinay na ng internet, tamo na tao. So you are sharing bandwidth. Okay, we have answers here. So padasig-dasig ni siya. So example lang pa lang ni, still wala pa ni siya points. So the first one who got it correct is Angelic. No, three. Congratulations. Mula na siya. So okay na? Gets? Okay, I think everyone
Sir,
gets
wait
it.
lang. Wala pa ko internet, sir.
Oh, sige. Oh, dali. Hulton ta kay... Guess
Sir, wait
the
lang.
answer.
Wala signal. Wala, sir,
Okay.
internet ako.
So, instructions ha, kasi I can see some people are keying in a country. What I'm looking for is the name of the cuisine. Ngalan sang pagkain. Sounds like kung medyo lapit, sige, I'll accept that. So, 5 seconds para wala sang may AI. Okay, so sige. Game? Si Gina? Okay, G. So I'll be flashing the next slide. First one who will get it right will get a point. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1. 5 seconds. Okay, what name of this? What is the name of this cuisine? Okay. So again, clue. Okay, we have already a winner. Okay. Wow, may pa fettuccine, pansit. Okay, so we'll see kung ano ang inyong knowledge, or let's see what is your knowledge about food or other cuisines from around the world. So again, the following slides or following images are cuisines around the world. Okay, pansit toge. Okay, pansit, pasta, palabok. We have already a winner actually. So the correct answer is dindere. I think I've seen here somebody got it. Okay, so it's Jasmine got it correct. Okay, so dahil lang yun. So Jasmine, you already won na. So you are now done with the activity. You may participate lang, but you cannot answer. Or else you'll give it to someone else ng point. So, sige. So Jasmine got it right. So Jasmine, the answer is Pad Thai. The most ang well-known na cuisine from what country? Okay, so this is from Thailand. Oh, na mo na siya sa mata. Have you tried Pad Thai? So I think it's not your typical pansit, no? It's there's a hint of I cannot explain. Do ka syempre kung hindi ka nasawaan mo ya ano gani soy sauce or anything. It's far different from Pad Thai. Hindi siya palabok, hindi siya saucy. Do ka ambot, do ka aslum something, do ka muna siya. So it's the taste buds of Thailand. Nila inain na di in lain the taste, no? So, natawa lagi ito sa pansit toge. So, mo na sa tawag sa pansit toge, pad thai. Okay. So, I think there is available sa SM. So, dumayara na siya sa ano, sa food court. I am not sure kung ara pa na. They are selling pad thai. Nakatry ko once, pero it's not for me. Okay. So, all right. So, 1 point for Jasmine. Congratulations. Okay, get ready. Next one, 5 seconds. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Mie goreng. Ara ka daw. Okay. Is that acceptable? I'll check. Alright, sige. So, alright, sige, Alex ramen, Nihon ramen, ramen. Share kami device. Ay, okay. Sharing is caring. Ka mo dapat ang individual device ka mo. Korean Army Soup, the name lang. O ano na siya nga name. O, so, I think, kimchi. Uy, kimchi. Kimchi is pickled nga ano na gani, pickle Chinese cabbage no mo sa. Sige, lawaga tanan nga no gani, lawaga tanan nga Mr. Kimbap kag ano nga anyong hashmik ka gidi no. Ara na. So nalipat sa kagulutom kimbap ram. Okay. Sige. Still, this is considered as ramen, but the specific food name is different, no? Ari ni siya sa ano, may ngala na siya. Shabu siya. Okay. Korean Army Soup na siya. Nan. Okay. Wala score. Sige, wala score. Okay, I think nobody got it right. But in general, yes, it's ramen. But specifically, this is called jampong. Okay. Okay, so nadumduman nyo na. I think there is Lucky Me brand for that. May ara na da. And also, may ara man sang ang ara sa Uday Gum. Or wala ko kabalo ng mga Korean convenience stores. Or maybe sa supermarket. So, that is jampong. You know, Guro, ang tsura, but you don't know the name. Alright, sige. Okay, so I guess we'll skip this one because nobody got it right. Although ramen siya, correct. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, uy, dapat kabalo ka man guro sa ginakaon mo. Buldak lang, kahit brand ang ginatandaan, tawid kabalo ko anong ginakaon ta. Alright. So, next, 5 seconds. Four, three, two. Okay. So the correct answer is, sino to mo naman? Wrong spelling.
Totokboki, sir. Totokboki, sir.
May tokboki. Pag yun, ano kinala? Isa duwang.
Ako nakauna pa min, sir. Totokboki, sir. Totokboki.
Sir, same kami na dapra.
Ay, hindi. Same lang. Tokboki. Same siya gapon. Sadya, pag tinuro ko nga sa classroom, o hindi na ganyan mga ano. Ang piyak guro nga classroom guro, ga reklamo na ni. Why na lang, sir? Okay, so the correct answer is tokboki. Pero galing. Sige, so...
Sir, same kami, sir, ni Benedict.
Sir, pwede mo open mic na lang kami, sir.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Wala
Sige,
kami
okay
internet connection
in.
niya. Ano? Wala.
Nan kay nag-share ka mo. Dapat individual. So we have a winner here, si
Kada ka mo sa daan ng kanto,
si Angelic
Nakakad ng kuya.
Rodrigo.
Desisyon.
So that's 1 point. It's
Desisyon nila.
tteokbokki. So this is commonly found sa mga Korean stores in the Philippines. But also sa Korean is also a staple. Korea is also a staple na snack or dish. Sa aton some of these are in an instant pack. Dere when kung mag-request ka magluto, no, sa mga Korean convenience stores. Okay, that's good. Everybody knows ang mga Korean nga mga pagkaon. Patay, kuway kami signal. Tibat. O emergency, ano gani, emergency signal, or during the online class, you must provide ang ano gani, ang emergency signal. O bato-bato gina signal niya. Okay, next na ta. Okay, so what cuisine is this or what do you call this? Wow, dasig. Okay, very good. We have the correct beans, mac and cheese. Okay, so we have already a winner. Dasig mag-type, no? Ang bilis. So which means kung dasig ka mag-type with pila lang ka seconds, that means that you already know what is this.
Nato, sir.
Okay,
Nato.
so
Nato.
natto is
Sakto ako yung spelling, sir.
Di na pala mag-
pero naman sa classmate mo, hindi na bala maglalis, bala kay ulihit ka na. Uy, wrong spelling, manigyapo ni imo Ben. Mga pasan, papasan. Ano yun na lang, reset yun na lang. Okay, so this is called natto. No? Originally, this is from Japan. Usually served during breakfast. But the taste is, I don't know. I don't think that you will like that. No, during your breakfast, diba, as Filipinos, we are fond of sweet and savory tastes, while Japan is more distinct. Excuse me. Lain na pagiging na panabor. So, natto is fermented soybeans, and usually it is mixed with mixed with egg and egg over rice. To kamo na siya nga style. So, this is a great source of protein. May mga o sige lang at base pa matsambahan ka makauna ka. So, pauna-una ini siya. We have the correct answer from Sisinito gani. Okay, dali lang i-check. Okay, from Chiara. Chiara got it correct. Nato. Okay. Next. Already. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Balot. Oh, lapit na lang. Oo, sige na. Okay. So we have a winner na. So this is from what country? I am. Okay, so this is an Indian cuisine, and then this is called panipuri. Okay, panipuri is shell nga and then ginumputangan nila sang juice, no? Si mekos-mekos. Pero galing there are some parts ng India that they are doing it by hand, no? Ang ginakutaw pati dulabot na sa ilok, no? Siyempre sa aton damak. Pero sa ilay ati normal lang na, no? So amuin na siya. Pero some would practice good hygiene man or good sanitation nga practice. It's because that, of course, the disease, number 1. And number 2, it will not attract any customers. So the one sa ila is panipuri. Subong, ang ginagamit na lang nila is I think dispenser na lang. Hindi na ginakutaw. So ginakutaw pag iniya ng mga mekos-mekos. Okay, so very good. Sino to gani ang correctly what? Si Francesca. Congratulations. That's 1 point. Damo pa di. Sige lang. Damo pa ni. Mga 12 ni guro ka slide. Okay, next. Letest sa inyo yung ideas or sa food around the world, of course. Okay, next slide. 5 seconds. Okay. Ano na siya nga pagka 4, 3, 2, ay, may longganisa. Basta sandwich na sa. Okay, so we have the correct answer na kay hotdog lang. Sa kaka 7-Eleven mo yan. Okay. Sa Big Bite, gina mo sandwich. Ay, okay, we have the correct answer. Grabe, may ano pa ba? Okay, so ang ibahan too late na. So this is banh mi. Okay, banh mi. Correct answer by Jasmine. Oh, may tuwagali ka, Jasmine. Ay, hindi. Okay, Jasmine, you are already done. So ang second one, kwaon ta. The second one who got it right, kahit si Jasmine, may di point. Sabi ko may isa pa gid. So, the right one goes to, or the point goes to Nicolas. Sakto, dali lang yun. Okay. Yes, okay, correct. I'm just reviewing the answers now. Okay, so Nicolas got it right. Congratulations. Okay, so this is from what country? Angel Sangkari. Uy, namit na bala. Kakabarato lang. Sa muna pero subong mahal na. Cheese steak. Okay, very good. It is from Vietnam. Okay. So if you are if you are visiting some malls, 'di ba? Din Xiao is a Vietnam food stall. So actually you can try by banh mi dira. No? It is quite authentic, but pero man nami is banh mi kitchen. Pero it's a little bit pricey. It's quite authentic na Vietnam na na cuisine. Pero ang sabaw nila is cancel lang. Okay, loka wrong. So if you like it, I don't know, loka ano siya gani, loka bulalo. The tam is taas lung sa sabaw. Oh, correct. I agree. So I order always chicken fillet, no. Gamit ang ilang ban. Okay. So you should try. So next, 5 seconds. From what cuisine is this? Lechon. Lechon manok. Hello. Okay, we have already a winner na. So the correct answer is Peking duck. Okay, this is from China or Beijing. Okay, so in other words, this is called the Beijing duck. It's Peking duck. All right. So, damo ba? Okay, sige. Next. So, we have what? Damo ba? Sige, I'll save this. Okay, next. 5 seconds. Uy, harigali si Joseph. Welcome. Seafood boil. Okay, closer to that. Kay may buttered shrimp, may buttered crab. Seafood. Oh, sige. Oh, no. Okay, so this is mostly actually may ari na di. Nalipat ko nga lang sa restaurant. And this is ano man. This is from Singapore. Ara na. It is Google. O, dali, pauna-una na lang. Diyos ko, anong ginapangkao? Puro man lang ni Kwan. Ala. Okay. Oh, sige. Amiyara man gid. Very good. We have a winner. Okay, so it's Glendale or Glendale. Did I pronounce that correctly? Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so it's chili crab. Seafood siya with a sweet and chili na sauce. It's very good if you want to try. I think Sagaysano na siya nga kuan nga Singapore nga nga restaurant. Okay. Ay, wait, may ara how? Let's see. Cassandra Molina. Wait, I haven't seen it. Buttered crab. Ay, okay, we have sorry, I haven't seen it. It's Cassandra Molina. Sorry. Glenil, may una gali sorry, wala ko nakita. Okay, so it's Cassandra. Oh, ari, nakita ko na. Sorry. Nag-ano ba, nag-flood gulpi. Okay. Ay, wait, may harap agad? Ay, okay, si Matina, gali. Okay, ari, gali. Mas nauna siya. Okay, sorry. Okay, medyo nag-flood ko kadali. Oh, thank you for correcting me. Okay, so we got the correct answer by Matina. It's chili crab. I think wala na guro. Wala naman. Okay. So the first one to answer is Matina. Wala pa. Not edit. Ha? Okay, so edited. What was the answer here before? I think what was originally here? Because it says here it's edited. I'll just investigate that along later. So, sige, I'll just review both dalat iti dua ka. Dala ka manay. Okay, mamove ta sa next. Okay, next. Okay, what food is this? Okay. Sige, barbecue. Namin siya with peanut butter. Oh, with peanut butter sauce. Hindi na siya inasal from the Philippines. Oh. Okay, we have a correct answer na. So since Matina already had a point, so we will give it to someone else naman. So Anika got it right. It's chicken satay or satay. From what country this is from? I guess this is from Indonesia. Satay or satay. No, there is pork. Satay means meat. Oh, so may ara na siya pork or chicken. Sa atin, satay babi na sa tawag. I think you have heard of that already. Okay, next. Okay, so lala ang tilapia. Wow, okay. So we have winners na o winner lang. Tama, nakamua. Okay, I think may point naman ng iban. Si Angel. O may point na kamo. So iba naman isa. So sino ginag-una sa inyo ni
Sir.
si
Sir,
Fornales
excuse me.
or si
May
yes,
point ko, sir. Sir, may point. Sir, may point.
si Fornales
May
or
point
si
ka po,
Sir, may point
Puyongkaw?
ako, sir.
Si Fornales na. So the first one to key
Sir, may
is the
point na
answer.
po,
Wala
sir.
ka point yan.
So using Hannah's account, Fornales said it's mango sticky rice.
Oh.
So second ka lang Benedict, una siya. Okay, so si Fornales, okay.
Hindi, I mean, sir, may point na ko, sir.
Wala eh, kayo una ni. Second ka lang, dapat dasig ka. Sanay ka mo da? Pus una pa sa type C mo. Okay, so based on the timestamp, using Hannah's account, Cornales ka try. Okay. So it's mango sticky rice and pila may point na gani. Tunga lang mo galing ni Matina. O 0.50. Muli na, tama na. Kay may ara ka na point. Suman. Okay. Sige. Asa subong mo pong nibla katilaw. I find it awkward to match ang fruit sa rice. But lang ano, namit ni. So it's a dessert snack, etc. of Thailand. Okay. So next, last. Give chance to others. Ang mga ga-answer, dira nga may point na tama na nahatag naman si Iban. Okay, what food is this? Wow, okay, sige. Okay, so we have already an answer, a winner. Okay, ara na ha. Okay, so we have Elijah. Okay, Elijah got it right. This is chicken biryani. Okay, it's certified halal. Okay, very good. So that ends our activity. Oh, ginhatag mo man to sa upod mo, Ben. Ay, hindi. Wala ka bala kaginas eh. Para ka kagina. Halal man. Okay, halal. No, sir? Halal. Tama na na ah. Bilog na lang. Guess the food na lang. Pagkaon na lang hindi tanan. Okay, pero sige lang. Tama na na. Ah, okay, so that ends our activity. So it is apparent that some of you are familiar with different cuisines, no? And some are just viewing different cuisine as the same as Filipino lang ang mga cuisines, no? Mostly related, but it's quite different, no? So pancit togi is very epic, hindi yan. Ang kimchi wala ginagawa, so kaya wala nakilala, yeah. Considered ang suggestion. Ang kwan, ang ulihit, paulit-ulit. Daso naman nga pero lain naman. Okay. So this ends our activity. Those are the different cuisines around the world. So you are well you are well known sa mga amoning mga cuisines, sa mga food. It's because simply that maybe you are exploring the world, no? Exploring other countries through media, or it could be that you have also experienced this eating this food, no? Personally, ara ida nakatilaw jaya, no? So as you can see, those are the products of globalization. Why is it nga nalabot ni sa imo? Correct? Okay. So we have an activity last time, no? We had an activity last time about the brands, of course, and why did you choose the type of brand, etc. So out of 5 kabilog, so sa 5 kabilog na gin-list nyo, there are maybe at least 2 out of 5 that is only here or local lang Philippines. The rest are international or maybe foreign siya, hindi siya na manufacture. Just like coffee, which one do you prefer? Ang good day or ang Starbucks? Siyempre, ang iban Starbucks, ang iban pick up coffee, etc. and all. So some are just a fan of a very few locals, no? But some prefer the ones who are the ones that are international brands. Okay. Oh, but first coffee. Do ka na-try ko. Pero may something sa nga daw aftertaste. Do ka muna siya. Although do ka aesthetics, tulo ko ng iyang packaging and all. But there is something na may ang iban pick up coffee. No, it's amo mo na. I think that's local or I'm not sure. So, ang iban Seattle's Best. So, malahal doon ni Jaya. But some would just prefer the local one, 3-in-1, Nescafe. Actually, Nescafe hindi man na local, it's international. But there are some ang coffee guys lang tayo, no? It's local. Okay. So, we will find out kung di na sila halin, no? And their its origins. by discussing the contemporary world, and of course, the modern world, and also globalization. So it is highly interconnected, digital, and constantly changing. I'm not sure who was that, but I immediately nang muted it. So these changes have made countries more interconnected, no? So is the world getting smaller, or are we just connected to each other, no? May kasabihan, no? Because the world, it's a small world. Mas aga kitanay ka lang, no? Kagamay lang yun sa kalibutan. So sometimes the news is easy to reach, no? Within seconds lang, ara na din ka flash sa ato. So the contemporary world refers to the world we live in today. No, it's highly interconnected, digital, and constantly changing. It is erratic in the sense that it changes from time to time. Kumbaga, hindi siya fixed. The next day, lain na naman ang trend. It always changes. So, amo na siya ang contemporary world. Okay. So, in contemporary world, we have globalization. Some of you have already an idea na what is globalization. Ang iban, wala pa because this has not been discussed yet to you in your previous grade. So, when we say globalization, it refers to increasing interaction and connecting or connection among people, countries, and economies. So that involves the movement of money, ideas, information, goods, and cultures across borders. So when you say globalization, that means that it's like opening your culture or introducing a culture to another one. And also that includes money and also goods, trade. So for example, Filipinos can buy Korean products, watch American movies, and communicate using platforms developed in other countries. Platforms that we are using, di ba muna, Facebook, TikTok. So Korean products is the most common one sa aton diri because we are ano man we are one market of Korea because we tend to watch a lot of K-dramas. Correct? Kung hindi ikaw, si mama mo. So, amo na siya. Or si manang mo. Usually, go watch K-dramas. So, Filipinos are more likely to buy Korean products because they are more open sa Korean, ano bala? Korean novelas that they are watching. They know what is going on sa amo na klase nga country because they have access to that. And also watching movies, American movies, Hollywood. We have also Bollywood, and also we have ano pa gid, other streaming platforms that is not originated or originally from the Philippines. No, Netflix, no, sa inyo na nga answers to. Ang iban Bilibili lang, ang iban Loklok, ang iban naman na mostly mga free versions. But that does not come from Philippines. So it was developed from other countries. And that is one strong sign of globalization. Hindi. Okay, gets? Tapos? Okay, good. So, globalization is multidimensional. So it is not only about business or kwarta, it also affects culture, politics, technology, society, and also the environment. So it's not just about money, kadamo, isa sang iya nga naapektuhan. Politics, ang aton nga technology na ginagamit subong, even aton gawi, aton behavior, and also ang iya impact sa environment. So, K-pop shows cultural globalization while online banking shows technological and economic globalization. So, amo na how Korean culture influenced us Filipinos. So, as far as I can remember, wala gina diya samgyup sa amon sa una nga time. So, during at your age, 16, 17. So, I think Korean novelas pa lang sa amon na time sa amon. Medyo mga generation 1 or 2 Korean novelas or 3 And later on, I think in my pila na ka years, 5 years after, dira na nagsulod. No? Ang mga Korean nga mga products, Korean nga mga ano gani nga nga lifestyle bala. So we are talking about Korean because that is the common thing that we see. No? So sa aton diri, magwa ka di sa piyak nga bangga may ara to Korean na store or let's say Japan, mo tariff ban ni Trump. Okay, so amo na sa ka grabe ka influential sang ano man sang globalization, how it affects everyone. So, ako na siya. Grabe market nila. For example, na siya. It affects also our amo nakadako sang impact ng culture sa Korean sa aton, no? Mostly mga bata. So I'm not sure no, kung kilala pa nila ang aton niya na culture compared sa iban. No? Mostly sang iban doon nasakop na aton na culture. It is because of globalization. Okay, so this is just a brief history of globalization, its origins. Di na siya halin. Okay, so it started from the Silk Road. So the Silk Road is a network or a trail that started from Asia to Europe, or maybe vice versa, Europe to Asia. No, so an ancient network or trade routes connecting the East and West. So globalization has existed in different forms for centuries. No, it evolved. No, so as what I've said on the earlier slide, that globalization did not happen overnight. No, it evolved through time. So what changed in this the speed and scale of global connection. As you can see, from Silk Road to the digital age. So which means ga saka. No? Ang iya nga speed. No? Even ang internet speed sa una, DSL lang, subong may ara na fiber. Okay, that is also a part of globalization. Okay, so here what happens in the Silk Road, ancient traders travel for months, no, inalakatan na nila. So while today, when you compare it, we can communicate globally almost instantly. Kung order ka sa piyak na lugar, ipa-ship na lang. No? Unlike sang una, hindi ka, ilakton mo pa. No? Amo na kalayo sang Silk Road. But along the way, you will meet a lot of people, and this is where they exchange their goods. So, di ba, some materials are only available to a specific location or a specific area, or maybe where it grows or where it develops, na siya, and it will be traded along the Silk Road. Amo na sang una ang trade, lakat-lakat. Okay, so as the globalization evolves, naglabot na sila sa Age of Discovery, from 15th to the 17th century. So Silk Road is by land. So kumbaga, they use their camels or mules or any other transportation nila like wagons to roam around and maybe introduce their goods or maybe ang ilang mga ginabaligya to other countries and other people. No? Amo na nga ang iban nakabaton sa mga cheese pero hindi na available sa muna ilang country. It's because of the Silk Road. Okay, the next one is the Age of Discovery. Naglabot na diri in the 15th to 17th century. The European exploration connects global markets. So in the 15th century, di na di kasugod ang mga European discover new paths, or let's say discover new routes or discover new places. So it is the age of discovery or the age of exploration. So dili na nagasugod ang mga Europeans to explore the world, and later on amo man na found ang aton nga country, which is the Philippines, around the 15th century, no, by the Europeans. So ano gingamit sa Europeans pakadto diri sa aton nga country, it is by ships or by boat, diba? Amo na sa nga nakita ta diri because they are exploring the world. Okay, so Christopher Columbus, discovery of America. So, di ba mo na nakita ng Amerika, nakita na nila tanan ng mga Europeans na sila. So kung i-base mo na sa iban nga mga country lain man daw nagkadto, and they tend to, of course, colonize it. Kita colonize man ta with a lot of the countries, no, lain-lain nga countries. Some, of course, naka-discover sa Amerika. So originally, America and us, kita Philippines, we are all natives, mga indigenous kita. Only that Europeans ng country and then introduced, of course, Christianity and then the Crusade and the Holy War and so on, laban na natin. So, originally, amo na sila. Mga Americans are mga rednecks. Kitaya, indigenous, Lapu-Lapu, tribo, mga monta na. So, in the 15th century, by delivering goods, they used ships to connect the global market. So, hindi na sa by land, by sea, na sa water naman sa. Okay. So, the next one is in the Industrial Revolution. 19th century, we have already steamships, aircrafts, and also railways. To accelerate trade, madasig, nagid gawa. No? Galing dako lang gasto gasolina because we use vehicles mostly na through ships, no, mga cargo sa ano man sa eroplano kag mga cargo sa train. No, we already have trains, we already have other vehicles to transport goods, no, in order for us to have trade with other countries. So, medyo hinay lang sa compared to train. Pati it takes a lot of time pa, no? Train ka pa, and etc. May steamships ka pa. So it's not practical subong sa aton yung plano dasig na lang. Okay? So in that happens around the Industrial Revolution on the 19th century. Okay. And lastly, the digital age, which is today. So in the late 20th century, ara ng internet, no? It is the instant age or tasig na lang tanan. Sana lang katumok, 2 days, ara na din sa imo nga doorstep. No? Shopee mo, imo nga Timo, imo Lazada, napag kinaya or TikTok nga shop, I'm not sure ano ngalan, TikTok shop, basta mo na siya. Sa TikTok, no, easy na lang ito. So, no need sang hassle, no need to go out and buy. No, you can stay at your home para lang gid maka-trade, no? So hapos na lang subong because in just one click you'll get your item immediately, no? During the digital age. So amo na siya from Silk Road, land, water, or sea to the air, and right now through the internet. So amo na isang history sang globalization. Not sure sa dason basta isa lang katumo ka na idea dayon nga gina-print na lang. So again, it is constantly changing. Okay, so subong ano pagid. We can add more on Messenger na amo na sa. So distance become less of a barrier. Okay, so any questions about the history of globalization? Okay, wala. Okay, next. How about the global economy? So we have interconnected markets. So economies are no longer isolated. Fluctuation in one market ripples across the globe. So multinational corporations operate in many countries to optimize costs. So ano siya? So countries, economies are now highly connected, no? So kung hapos na lang bala mag-tap or makahiupulig sa iba nga country, it's because that we have the internet, we have connections. No? We have phones that is very easy to call someone and also to negotiate. So, for example, if the price of oil is increases globally, transportation product prices in the Philippines may also increase. No? So that is in the global economy as well. So kumaga daw ka domino effect that affects ang price man, of course, basis ang gasolina. Okay, so products are often created through a global supply chain rather than in just one country. So different countries may handle different stages of production. So kita diri, we don't have production of smartphones and maybe ang mga Apple or iOS smartphones or Apple diri, that is mainly available or mainly mass produce sa which country do you think? So mostly ang mga almost tanan nga products are manufactured are in this country. So which country is that? Okay, very good. No? So God made everything, but everything else is made in China, of course. So China is the mass producer is of almost everything, right? So kung makita mo sa tanan nga mga labels, sa tanan nga mga ano ni gani, sa mga cartoons ang imo nga mga items, it's always made in China. So why do you think that they manufacture almost everything in China? May ara sa China? Who wants to answer?
May ano sa China.
Yes,
Tawo,
why?
tawo, eh.
Si Jinping, sir.
Oh,
May
answer.
tao, sir.
Population.
Oh, may tao.
Tao.
Damat work.
Oh, oh, answer. By group sila ho. O sige. Nga, halos tanan.
Wala na ko gani. Charma, answer ko na. Gusto ko biflo. Sige pa mag. Sunod ka.
Ay, okay. Oh, sige na lang. Ari na lang. Okay, we have Jasmine here. And that is correct. Very good. So, if it is more easier to outsource in other countries such as China, it's because that, okay, Mozi, ano na siya? Okay, so we have cheaper materials. Number one in nasa. That is what we call outsourcing. Cheap materials and of course the labor or manpower is or resources is of course cheaper gid siya. No? Mas barato sa China mag-manufacture kaysa sa iban nga country. Okay? Gets? How about if you put that to our country? Are we also an outsource to someone's country? Specifically what? Ano nga job? Nakadamo-damo na isa sa Bacolod. O, clue. Ano ina siya nga obra? So, mostly kung ang item and also ang manufacturing niya kag production sa China. But what about here in our country? Ano ang
Sir.
sugar cane? Okay, so we are talking about manpower. So that is an export. I am not talking about product.
Nurse, sir.
Product. Yeah. Almost closer. So I'm talking about manpower. Yes, that is manpower. Specifically what? Ano nga obra? Outsource, correct. Globally, we are known for our manpower. But when they outsource us here only in the Philippines, di lang tayo sa Pilipinas, ano na sa nga obra? Factory worker. Oh, the same man siya gyapon manpower siya. But specifically, ari lang na din, may ari di ganun sa Bacolod, damo-damo, o mostly all cities, may ara. Okay, very good. We have the correct answer. Jenna. Jenna is BPO or call center. Naamoy na siya. Or in other words, outsource ang ibang nga lugar, there is aton, it's always customer service. So again, okay, very good everyone. Oh, thank you. Correct na siya. Call center. BPO. Oh, correct man siya. Package delivery. Ay, kay Kuan Shopee. Hindi man. Call center is the correct. Or maybe customer service na lang. No? So kay ti bilakwa diri ang iban ng tawon mo. Have you seen the buildings or infrastructures of call center nga mga mga companies to scatter customer service? At pwede man na sa correct na sa. No, correct man na sa, and that is pogo na gali, no? Imaginable ari na ni. So, sabihin ba nila pero gyapon ara sige gyapon subong, no? Ay gindakop nila si ano nga ni si Alice Cooper kasi gigapon as sa subong alaw lang nila ambot no ka budlay gid sa Pilipinas. So ni mag-graduate kamo gwa kamo dito yun. Whereas mga ano lagi kamo di ay ti ambot na lang gid. Okay. So amo na siya guys given that no customer service ta number one gina siya. So lang tawon mo diri almost makita mo nga makilala mo is working in the call center or customer service industry. No, that is why lantaon mo dagko-dagko ang ilang nga mga structures, ang ilang nga mga buildings, no? Dako-dako na ila investment. Imaginable ang ubiquity. Ara sa Ayala, gano'n na gani, they are almost occupying maybe half or let's say one-fourth or medyo dako. Ang renta, ano na siya kaano, kadako ang ginabaydan nila every year. No, every month, so it will run up to millions, no? So they will risk that. It's because getting or outsourcing here in the Philippines, is much more cheaper. No, mas barato. Gastuhan na milyon nila ang mga building and all training sa call center dira. It's because that the pay and investing on that here is much more cheaper. Mas barato siya and less riskier. Kung compare mo, magwa ka dollars per hour. Mas mahal ang bayad sa gwa kaysa diri sa aton. We are paid here daily. Kay kung hourly lang ang bayad sa aton, huyo mo tanan sa akon. So, maganon tatani if our wage is is hourly. No? So nga kaya kung daily, ay ti sa gwa, bayaran na ito sa inyo ya is per hour. Amo na siyang na siya ang difference naton diri. So still no do ka exploit siya matawag mo. Kay ti ginakuha kita diya for customer service kay ti barato. Okay. Next, cultural exchange. Example of cultural exchange of food, no, what we have discussed earlier. So food, ang culinary tradition, we have crossed borders or creating a global palette. So amo na through globalization we have evolved, no? Evolved kaya adapt lang to other palette. It's because that kauyon ka na sa mo ni it's because amo na sa mo ka pa kauyon sa seaweed mo subong it is you are highly influenced by the culture of this so na-adapt mo na nga amo na klase nga panabor. Kauyon ka example sina and that goes to other foods man. Okay, next we have entertainment, K-pop, Hollywood movies, and streaming services allow cultural products to be consumed simultaneously worldwide. We have discussed this earlier, because of the influence of Hollywood, K-pop, ara balang gamay-gamay lang paggamit sa mga mga local brands, sa mga famous ng mga tao in the movies, in the series, it will become trending, and then usually people would go crazy for it. Bisan naway pa na, katigin gamit ni amo ni klaseng artista. So nagpatok na dayon. So amo na siya ka strong sang globalization because of just one media or one entertainment. Oh, okay. So amo na siya ang isa ka effect of globalization or a strong sign of globalization. Next is English has become the lingua franca of business and the internet, facilitating cross-border communication. Even language is also being globalized. No? So kita, originally we are Filipinos, but because of colonization, we have been introduced to English, and English has been our second language. No? Almost first gani yung ginagamit subong ang Tagalog, English na gid. Okay, so amo na siya from food, entertainment, and also through culture and language. Okay, next. So the digital backbone, so instant connection, the internet and fiber optic technology are the nervous system of modern globalization. So this is the most vital tool that we need for globalization. So they allow for the instant transmission of data, funds, and service. So the death of distance means that a software developer in Bangalore can collaborate in real time with a designer in San Francisco. So in the digital backbone, no, of globalization is the internet. So kung wala wala sa globalization. Wala na siya. And of course, the help, of course, of the fiber. Kaya tinadasig na gid. The creation of fiber o nagdasig ng internet is because that information travels through the speed of light. Sa una, yung copper wire pa na low ay sa una. No, yung mga hinahinay to 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps. So mag-load ka pa Facebook, dugay-dugay pa na, blurred ka pixelate. No? So buong ya, instant, mula ka tumukara na dayon. No? Amo na siya nag-evolve mo na sa. So ang iya nga internet connection speed. Okay, next. Now we'll discuss the last two. We have benefits, the boon and the bane, no, or challenges of globalization. So ang benefits or one boon of globalization is economic growth followed by lower prices. Depende sa competition na iya. It depends on the supply and demand. So next is innovation. The free flow of ideas accelerate technological progress and scientific breakthroughs. So okay, so we are innovative, no? Wala ta tani naka-access sa mo nga laptop if wala ta na introduce ang globalization, no? Wala ta sang mga brands, no, sang gadgets if wala may natabo sa globalization or wala free. So cultural understanding, exposure to different cultures. Okay, that is one important thing, man. So cultural understanding and as well studying other cultures, no? Because of globalization, we are able to see and observe other cultures, not just us. No, hindi man natin diba kita di ang exist ng mga tao. There are other people rather existing in other countries, man. No, it's fun also studying them and through globalization. Okay, so that is the benefits. And while the other one is the challenges or ang iyang bane. So what are the banes of or criticism of globalization? Number one, environmental damage, increased shipping and industrialization contribute to pollution and climate change because of mass production and of course the depletion of resources. Remember, natural resources are not renewable. Some, but not all. For example, dira sa ayhan maubos ang gasolina. So, the demand of gasoline is very high. It's because it's very difficult to find. Diba? Amo na. It's very difficult to find. So that's why amo na it creates a chain effect. So once na magtaas ang presyo, ang isa, ang gasolina mismo, everything will fall apart. No, tanana sila maiguan. No, hasta kita. No, we are affected by the inflation. Mahal lagi sa tanan because of the resources. Resources is somewhat no scarce, no. Amat-amat na dutay. How much more sa dason ay pila na ang pagkaon. Okay. So labor exploits, no, or race to the bottom for cheaper labor standards. So sa what I have said earlier, China and Philippines, there are some illegal manungis ang nakatabo that there are underage bala or let's say mga child mga labor no underage nga labor sa China and also diri kita sometimes nayara mo na bata pa lang gaubra na so that is against the law and also labor exploitation in the sense of wage in the sense that kitungod nga ano ni gani tungod nga ara ka sa Philippines the rate is quite cheap so gina-exploit na lang nila nga madamo nga tawo ma-work para sa amo na nga company the company grows pero ang tawo nga ara da sa amo na nga lugar wala nga manggaranon no sa wala balaga earn dako ang kwarta sila ang paningkaras pulaw pero still they earn very very low and lastly and sadly the loss of identity or homogenization of local cultures so once we welcome other cultures eventually we sometimes lose our identity no as Filipinos ano kita pala it's because that we have been colonized for pila we have been colonized by many countries na and we are open for globalization ngajaya that's why we tend to lose our culture kakadula na aton identity is because gakamix lahan sang iban nga culture? Or should we just embrace na lang nga mix na lang gid kita? Okay, since the Philippines is a combination of different races, no? Some of us are not are Filipino, but would have ancestral blood with other countries. No, it's because of the colonization. No, hindi man lang di ang mga Espanyol nag-antay. There are also others. No, even Malay. Kung iba din matingalahan mo that they have similar features. No, if you trace it down, ang tsura nila sa mga Indonesian, mga Malaysian, kind of look like Pinoyish. No, kasi we are being also connected by those countries. So we can say that ka mixed identity ka Pinoy. So mula na siya. So that is the boon and bane of globalization. So okay, it's 2:35, 1 hour lang. All right. So are there any questions about globalization?
Answer.
Okay, nice.
Answer.
So I hope you have understood the idea and concepts of globalization. So I'll be giving you an activity na lang. So this activity is about, are you in favor of globalization or not? I'll be also giving supporting questions again. Okay? So this ends our first topic for contemporary world. Okay. Basala na ako ng mga subject. Actually, I'm teaching 4 subjects. Inlain ka mo. Okay. So, kaya ko to. Kaya nyo rin. So, 1 hour lang. So, do you have class pa?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na. So last, walang class niyo. Okay, sige.
wala na, sir.
Alright, sige. So, okay, it's 2:36. That's
Sir,
ano
saan
lang.
ako mapasser?
Within today, of course. It's just very short lang. I'll be
Wala specific time.
11:59 p.m. Sir.
11:59 kaya 11:55 mo na himuon, Ben.
No,
No.
Okay.
Nagpilos. Before mag-aga. Ay. Before
Sige,
ng...
ayaw gali na kay may assignment. Tagi na, sige. Extend ta. I'll extend that one. I'll extend this one because you have an assignment later. Gali. Ay, a while ago. Okay, sige.
Meeting ipas.
Okay, sige. So that's it for our lesson for this afternoon. I hope you learned something from globalization and also its drawbacks and also its positive naman side. So I'll be seeing you maybe next week for another lesson. So let's end na lang. Let's have our break. Thank you for listening, everyone, and thank you for coming in early. I appreciate your answers, and I'll be recording the points nyo. So I'll be recording the 1 point na sa exam. Okay na why na additional. Muna na. Okay. So if you have questions, dali lang before we end. May question? Ha?
Prayer, si Benedict, sir.
So, wala ko kambal, sir. Sir, wala ko kambal.
Paano
Wala ko
siya?
kambal.
The closing prayer.
May closing day.
Tanda ko
Okay.
naman.
Ay, okay. Sige.
Okay,
i-reserve ko na.
Benz.
Okay, i-reserve ko na ang Okay. We'll be reserving that for a special occasion kay Benedica. So, it's preparahan mo na Ben ha. Ang imo nga nga spotlight. Maybe next time. Okay? So, sige. We'll end this meeting na. Have your break, Anay. And of course, always halongit. So, thank you and goodbye, everyone. See you next week. O next week pa man. So,
Okay, sir.
Lecture.
Face
Goodbye.
reveal. Face reveal, guys.
Ay, wait.
Face reveal, guys.
Hi, sir.
Face reveal.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, may question. Wala.
With bad
Why naman?
influence.
No
Bye.
questions, sir.
No questions, sir.
What's your no? Gamitin ilo. Gamitin.
Hi, sir.